Hey Matthew, this is Mike Fortner. Let's looking over your paragraph here. Uh, I was kind of expecting a picture to go along with this, but I'll respond to your paragraph. It sounds like you have a little misconception, and I want to go over. Let me ask you a question here first. You said the jet propels the engine propels the jet through the air. The air molecules create an opposing force in the form of air resistance. What if there was no air, like in the case of a rocket going into space? There's no air in space. How could there get have a action reaction there? That is because it's you have the thrust that's acting from the plane or the rocket and on the rocket, and you have the reaction of the rocket on the plane, or rocket on the thrust, which is kind of weird to think about, but that's really what's happening. Doesn't make any difference what the surrounding material is, um, or if there isn't any. There's still going to be a reaction pair uh, within the rocket or the plane. And that's a little bit different than like a propeller in a plane, because the propeller in a plane, the propeller is acting on the air, which creates a thrust, which makes the plane move forward. So there wouldn't be the same kind of a system here. You're not required to have any kind of material there. Now, and you can say, well, what about the rocket engine? Well, that's just like if you were walking along. I think I said rocket engine. What I meant was, what about the propeller? The propeller is moving, but that's just like if you were moving your leg or trying to step on something, but there was nothing to step on. You'd have the action, but there's nothing to react against. You'd have the action, but there's nothing to react against, therefore no reaction pair there. So let's make sure you've got that idea straightened out in your mind. If you have any questions about this, you can text me or email me to make sure I made myself clear. Have a good day.